ICSE Mathematics Class 10th Chapter 12 Exercise 12D Question number 6. It states that in the figure DE is parallel to BC and AD is equal to 3 centimeter, DB is equal to 2 centimeter and area of the triangle ABC is 10 square centimeter. Find the area of ADE. देखिए आप ABC एक ट्रायंगल है और एक है ADE ट्रायंगल है जिसमें DE और BC पैरेलल लाइन है. BD is equal to 2 centimeter, AD is equal to 3 centimeter and area of ABC is 10 square centimeter. हमें we have to find out the area of ADE triangle. So area of these two triangles are similar because these lines are parallel. So these triangles ABC and ADE are similar triangles. Therefore, the area of ABC upon the area of ADE will be equal to 10 upon area of ADE and the square of the corresponding side. So AB will be equal to 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 whole square upon 3 square. So it will become 1. 1 का square किया 1 and 3 का square किया 9. We have to find the area of ADE. So area of ADE will be equal to cross multiply कीजिए 10 into 3 square upon 1, that is 10 into 9, that is 90 square centimeter. This will be the area of ADE triangle. Now the question number 7. Question number 7 state that in a figure the triangles PRS and PQR are similar where PS is equal to 2 centimeters, PR is equal to 3 centimeter. If the area of the triangle PRS is 2 square centimeter, calculate the area of PQR. अब देखिए यहाँ पर एक ट्रायंगल है PRS और दूसरा ट्रायंगल है PQR. These two triangles are similar. The length of PS is equal to 2 centimeter, PR is equal to 3 centimeters. So the area of these two triangles will be similar. Area of PRS upon area of PQR. It is already given that angle Q is equal to this angle R, that is PRS. It is already given here. So the PS square by PR square. What is PS? PS is 2 centimeter, that is 2 square, and PR square is equal to 3 square. So 2 square, that is 4, 3 square, that is 9. So area of PRS is 2 square centimeter, it is already given. So in place of this area of PRS, I have written 2. Area of PQR is equal to 4 by 9. Now cross multiply in order to get the area of triangle PQR. So 9 will be multiplied to 2 and divided by 4. It will be 4.5 square centimeter. This will be the answer of question number 7. Now question number 8. In figure, the DE is parallel to BC and AD is to DB, that is 5:4. Find the area of ADE upon the area of ABC. You see, the DE is parallel to BC. It is already given. DE is parallel to BC AD is to BD, that is 5 is to 4. So area of the triangle ADE, area of triangle ADE upon area of the triangle ABC will be the square of the corresponding sides. So AD square, here AD square upon AB square. So for AD I have written 5, for AB I have written 5 plus 4 whole square, that is 25 by 81. 25 by 81, देखिए 5 plus 4 9, 9 का स्क्वायर किया 81 आ गया. So 25 by 81, this will be the ratio of the area of triangle ADE and ABC. So now this will be the answer of question number 8. Now proceed to the question number 9. Question number 9 states that in triangle PQR, PQ is equal to 8 centimeter, PR is equal to 10 centimeter, and angle Q is equal to 90 degree. A and B are the points on the sides PQ and PR respectively, such that AB is equal to 2 centimeter and angle ABP is 90 degree. Find the area of PAB. देखिए, first of all PQR, Q 90 degree है. There is another triangle that is PAB. B पर देखिए that is 90 degree. और ये एंगल जो डॉट से मैंने रिप्रेजेंट किया है, डार्क डॉट से रिप्रेजेंट किया, दिस टू एंगल्स आर इक्वल. व्हाई दे आर इक्वल? बिकॉज इफ यू ऐड P plus R, again it will be 90 degree, because these are the complementary angle. P and R are the complementary angles. Similarly, in triangle APB or PAB, if you add A plus P, again it will be 90 degree, because A and P are complementary angle to each other. So the area of a triangle PAB upon the area of triangle PRQ. So AB square, इसीलिए लास्ट के 2 लेटर्स देखिए, AB स्क्वायर, यहाँ पर भी लास्ट के 2 लेटर लेंगे. Similarity में corresponding side, in order to get the corresponding side, I am just telling you the method. If you have written it in a proper order, so the last 2 letter means AB, the AB square, here the RQ square. In place of AB, I have written 2 square, because it is already given the 2 centimeter. AB is equal to 2 centimeter. So in place of AB, I have written 2 squares. For PQ square, you see that this is the hypotenuse. So the 10 square minus 8 square, that will be equal to RQ square. पाइथागोरस थ्योरम को लागू किया मैंने. 10 स्क्वायर माइनस 8 स्क्वायर, दैट इज हियर. सो 10 स्क्वायर मीन्स 100, 8 स्क्वायर मीन्स 64. सब्ट्रैक्ट कीजिए, यू विल गेट 4 by 36. इन प्लेस ऑफ द एरिया ऑफ PRQ, that is 24. From where I have got the 24, you see the QR is equal to 10 square minus 8 square, that is will be equal to 6. So the area of triangle PRQ, 1 by 2, 6 is 6, because the leg of the right angle triangles are 6 and 8. This is 8 and this QR is 6. So 1 by 2 into 6 into 8, solve कीजिए, you will get 24. So the area of PRQ will be equal to 24. So I have written here 24. So the area of triangle PAB, that will be equal to 4 into 24 क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए 4 into 24 divided by 36 ultimately you solve it you will get 8 by 3 square centimeters. Now the area of trapezium AQRB. So area of trapezium AQRB upon area of PQR will be equal to एरिया ऑफ ट्रेपेजियम कैसे वर्कआउट करेंगे हम 24. व्हाट इज द 24? 24 इज द एरिया ऑफ क्यू आर. एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल पी क्यू आर area PRQ is 24. So the larger triangle subtract the smaller one, you will get the area of trapezium. So 24 minus 8 by 3. इस छोटे वाले ट्रायंगल का एरिया कितना आया है 8 by 3. बड़े वाले ट्रायंगल का एरिया कितना आया है 24. सो बड़े वाले ट्रायंगल में से अगर हम छोटे वाला ट्रायंगल माइनस करते हैं तो एरिया ऑफ ट्रेपेजियम आ जाएगा. दैट विल बी इक्वल टू 24 minus 8 by 3 upon 24. So solve it, you will get 72 minus 8 upon 3 into 24. Again you will get 64 upon 72, that is 8 by 9. So 8 is to 9. This will be the ratio of the area of trapezium upon area of triangle PQR. So in this way the question number 9 is completed. Now proceed to the question number 10. The area of two similar triangles ABC and PQR are 64 and 121 square centimeter respectively. If QR is equal to 15.4 centimeters, find BC. See, there are two triangles, ABC, triangle ABC and PQR. These two triangles are similar. The area of triangle ABC is 64, area of the triangle PQR is 121. So the area of similar triangles are proportional to the side, are proportional to the square of the corresponding sides. So the BC square upon QR square. For BC I have written 8. 8 square upon, you see 64 है, 64 को मैंने 8 स्क्वायर कर दिया, 121 को 11 स्क्वायर कर दिया. So BC square upon QR is given, QR is equal to 15.4. So in place of QR I have written this is BC square 15.4, 8 square by 11 square, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए 15.4 into 8 square 15.4 whole square into 8 square upon 11 square. So in order to find out the BC, value of BC, what I have done, I have taken the square root. I have removed the square of the right hand sides. So it will become 15.4 into 8 whole upon 11. You just divide it, 15.4 by 11, you will get 1.4. So 1.4 into 8, that is 112. So that will be 11.2 centimeter. 11.2 centimeter will be the length of BC. Now proceed to the question number 11. DEF are the midpoints of the triangle BCCA and AB respectively of the triangle ABC. Determine the ratio of the area of the triangle DEF and ABC. अब देखिए यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 में ABC एक ट्रायंगल है, इसके ए के ठीक अपोजिट साइड को मैंने स्मॉल लेटर से साइड को रिप्रेजेंट किया है. बी के ठीक अपोजिट में जो AC है, AC हैज़ बीन रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय स्मॉल लेटर B. Similarly, the AB has been represented by small letter C. So as we know that the midpoint, you see, F is the midpoint and F and E are the midpoints of two sides. When you join these two lines, it will be parallel to the BC. Similarly, DE will be parallel to AB and FD will be parallel to AC. So, the ABC is divided into four congruent triangles. Complete this ABC triangle, the bada wala triangle, the larger triangle has been divided into four congruent triangles. Why is congruent? Because this is the side of this. This is the midpoint, so AF will be equal to FB. This side will be equal to this side. Which side? Means AE will be equal to EC. FE will be parallel to this, so it will be a parallelogram. So opposite sides will be equal in a parallelogram. This will be the C by 2, this will be also C by 2 equal to. So I have written here the ABC is divided into four congruent triangles, that is AFE, BFD and CDE and triangle DEF. Let us take one case, that is AFE. AFE is similar to the triangle ABC. Means छोटा वाला जो triangle है AFE is similar to the बड़ा वाला triangle, the bigger one. इस दोनों similar होंगे. All congruent triangles are similar. अब हमने पहले बताया कि this complete ABC has been divided into four congruent triangles. So all congruent triangles are similar. So these small four triangles are similar. So in case, if I have taken only one case, AFE is similar to triangle ABC. Similarly, we can prove that BFD will also be parallel to CBA. Similarly, CDE will also be similar to CBA. But just I have taken only one case. So the area of DEF upon the area of ABC, I have replaced the AEF as a DEF because they are congruent. So the corresponding sides का proportional हो, स्क्वायर का proportional होगा. देखिए DE first two letters का square upon AB square. What is DE? D is C by 2 because this is ABC, so this will be equal to C by 2. Small letter C divided by C. AB is equal to C. So I have written here C by 2 upon C. C cancel. 1 by 2 का स्क्वायर करोगे तो 1 by 4 आएगा. So the ratio will be equal to 1:4. And this was to be proved. Now question number 12. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is equal to 2 twice of DC and AB is parallel to DC. If AC and BD intersect at O, prove that the area of triangle AOB is equal to 4 times the area of COD. देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 में, this ABCD is a trapezium in which the DC is parallel to AB and the relation AB is equal to twice of DC. Again, angle A is equal to angle C because alternate angles. Angle D is equal to angle B, which has been represented by dot. So these are the equal angle and this vertically opposite angles. So by angle criteria, these two triangles means AOB. Similarly, the COD. These are the similar. Here I have written the triangles ABO. ABO will be similar to triangle CDO by angle axiom of similarity. So area of similar triangle, that is ABO upon CDO, that is AB square upon CD square. So what is AB? In place of AB I have written twice of CD. That is equal to 4 CD square upon CD square. CD square will be cancelled and we have left with 4:1. Hence the area of triangle ABO is equal to 4 into area of triangle CDO. That is proved here, QED. Now proceed to the question number 13. If the area of two similar triangles are equal, prove that they are congruent. Let ABC and DEF are the two similar triangles. When any two triangles are similar, the corresponding angles must be equal. So angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F, as well as the corresponding sides should be proportional. So AB upon D upon is equal to AC upon DF is equal to BC upon EF. Now it is given that the area of triangle ABC is equal to the area of DF. हमें दिया हुआ है कि एरिया ऑफ ABC is equal to the area of DEF. So area of ABC upon area of DEF is equal to AB square upon DE square. In this case, the area of these two triangles are equal. So AB by DE will be equal to 1 by 1. Hence, the AB is equal to DE. Moreover, A angle A is equal to D angle B is equal to E, and therefore the triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Angle side angle congruency. QED, hence it is proved. Now the question number 14. Prove that the ratio of the corresponding altitudes of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of their corresponding sides. अब देखिए यहाँ पर ABC और DEF दो ट्राइंगल है and these two triangles are similar. AM and DQ are two perpendicular drawn from the vertex A to BC, from vertex D to EF. So you see, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. AM is perpendicular to BC and DQ is perpendicular to EF. In triangle ABM and DEQ, angle M is equal to angle Q. Angle M is equal to angle Q. Why? Because they are equal to 90 degree. Angle B is equal to angle E. Angle B is equal to angle E. Angle B is equal to angle because the ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Once we have already given, it is already given that these two triangles are similar, so the corresponding angle must be equal. Hence, triangles ABM is congruent to triangle DEQ. by angle axioms of similarity. So AB upon DE is equal to AM upon DQ, where AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF is equal to CA upon FD. हमारा यही पर केस प्रूफ हो गया था. कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स के प्रोपोर्शनल को कौन सा होगा साइड? एल्टीट्यूड्स के. सो ए बी अपॉन डी ई इज इक्वल टू ए एम अपॉन डी क्यू, क्यू ई डी. नाउ प्रोसीड टू द लास्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज द 15th. ए बी सी इज अ ट्राइंगल when PQ is a line segment intersecting the AB in P and AC in Q, such that PQ is parallel to BC and divides the triangle ABC into two equal parts of equal area. Find BP upon AB. BP upon AB. You see here, PQ divides ABC in two equal parts of equal area. अब देखिए यहाँ पर PQ किसके पैरेलल है? BC के. और PQ क्या करता है? ABC ट्राइंगल को टू इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करता है in case of area. So area of APQ will be equal to area of trapezium PQCB. PQCB. Now you see, PQ divides ABC in two equal parts of equal area. So the area of triangle APQ is equal to the area of trapezium PQCB. Area of ABC is equal to area of APQ plus area of trapezium PQCB. Area of APQ plus area of trapezium PQCB. Area of trapezium PQCB. Now in place of this area of APQ, I have written APQ, but in place of area of trapezium PQCB, I have written again area of triangle APQ. Why? Because the area of trapezium is equal to the area of APQ. So in place of area of trapezium, I have written here the area of APQ. So by combining these two, so twice the area of APQ. Area of ABC. Area of ABC will be equal to the twice the area of APQ. So the area of ABC upon the area of APQ is equal to 2 by 1. Is equal to 2 by 1. That is AB square upon AP square. AB square upon AP square, that will be equal to, taking the square root, now it will become root 2. So AB upon AP is equal to root 2. You now cross multiply it. AB is equal to root 2 AP. So BP is equal to, you see, BP will be equal to AB minus AP. So BP is equal to AB minus AP, that will be equal to root 2 AP minus AP. That is, I have taken AP common and inside the bracket root 2 minus 1. We have to find out the BP upon AP. Sorry, BP upon AB. BP upon AB. So in place of BP, I have written root 2 minus 1 into AP. In place of AB, I have written root 2 AP. Root 2 AP. देखिए, AB is equal to क्या है? Root 2 AP. I have written here root 2 AP. AP will be cancelled. So the BP upon AB will be equal to root 2 minus 1 upon root 2. This is the required answer of the question number 15.